Bell number 2, level 7, roof.
This is one of our favourite bits on this tour. Look at that.
The last time we were here it was actually snowing, so I am enjoying the fact that it's actually sunny.
Hello Mr. Frog. He's just chilling by the water. I think that would have been their wee church there, just in front of us. But this place is just amazing, look at that, for a roof terrace. This would be really good at night, I think. Just chilling. This is the garden mosaic.
I love a mosaic, especially with mirrors.
Natalie thinks she's a wizard.
A Mora.
I think these would look pretty cool in my house. Look at the size of that wheel.
It goes fast, like faster than you'd expect.
It does go quite fast.
When we arrived here this wasn't going and I was a bit sad it wasn't going, and we just came out and it's going, and I don't remember it going this fast.
Wow, that's just right, it wasn't going this fast last time. Look at that. Really need to see this thing in real life. Right, wait a minute. I'm going to go down the bottom. Heading into our old classroom. Is this our uniforms?
Yeah, I still wear this when we're at school. They're clean.
Well, there's all your uniforms.
Genuinely just had a heart attack with that guy up there.
Natalie thinks there's a ghost in here.
What? Definitely.
Map of the world. Don't know if I'd like to come to class here.
I would like to come to class here. Imagine that outside the playground. And June the 16th, 1884, it was the last day of school in this room.
We need to come and sit in class.
This fun guy, he is dangerous. Don't get too close.
Class dismissed. Phone play.
Yay! Are you ready for school, Chris?
I don't know if it's going to fit me, if I'm honest. Maybe just a wee bit too big.
Are you saying that you're too old for school?
No. There we go.
Oh,
I can go to school.
well done. The children would wear these outfits, and the reason these chaps are playing musical instruments is because one of the lessons here was dancing. So they would learn to dance around here. And apparently they used to perform dances for all the visitors coming to check out New Lanark, which is really cool.
Is it just me, or does anybody else think these guys look dead creepy?
I think at night time they would move. I feel they would.
I think they would. I think it's like a Toy Story thing.
As soon as
Or
you leave this room,
Night at the Museum, like these weird guys.
definitely. This is fun.
This is all stuff from round about this area.
It's all about glaciers. And actually, we live in Clyde Valley, so the valley we live in was formed by a glacier.
I didn't know that.
It's really cool.
Some of the lighting as well. These are cool.
Before electricity was invented.
I would like these at my front door. And that like going to a day job in the mines.
Do you think it suits me?
I don't think it's your colour.
I'm not sure this is happening. This is quite fun. Generating electricity
Oh, it gets tougher as well.
kinetically.
Oh. I've not got enough for the LEDs.
What happens when you go fast and what happens when you go slow? My goodness.
I only get them ones, we're gonna have power for that one. There we go.
So that is insane. Imagine you had to do that to power, like
To watch your TV.
charge your mobile phone.
Nah, I would go without my mobile phone. Oh. Old parts of the original water wheel. Going to be following this wee guy to the Falls of Clyde. There's a wee badger friend.
All the Hufflepuffs.
All the Hufflepuffs. There's just a wee baby one here.